Okay. Maybe look at it, decide if you want more or if it looks good. I'd say a little bit more. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Now flatten it out on the anvil. Flip it upside down. Make sure there's no tongs in the way. And there you go. You got your subtle curve. Hold it up in front of your face for the YouTube audience. There you go. Oh yeah. A little bit more. All right, hold it up one more time. Show it off to the camera. Okay. Looking good. All right.
A little bit like that.
Oh, all right. Throw that back into the forge, beat the daylight out of it. And then you are done. Okay. You know what to do, right?
Yeah.
You just beat the daylight out of it.